to the asshole next door.
Yeah.
Whisper.
Okay, sorry.
I'm getting this on video.
Sorry.
Yeah. I had some bad dreams about that place.
Okay, this is a bad storm. Real bad. If you can hear some there, that's cool. That's cool.
I don't know either.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's not gonna come on yet, is it?
Nobody loves rain at all.
Yes, I do.
And if you hear voices, those are my grandparents. So, but yeah, plus this is Kenton. So, let's just enjoy the show.
See if it's at least playing.
It's not.
Everybody
So you
let it
saw
play.
some lightning there?
That's the channel song.
Really?
And here, let me
Is the
just
other
get
one in my room? My room, bedroom?
you the road. And I'm doing this on a tablet.
Huh?
No. No.
Okay, so this is probably almost the end of the video. Wait, this is the end of this video. Just wanted it to be 1 minute and about 30 seconds long. So I'm gonna video in 3, 2, 1.